Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee lingba kekenhun traikam ki samla bat long me jongka hakakat santarik Urisau arja arpusan kala penlong ke jingyat pajba ban penram ya ke Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangha RSS bat kumju ban penpau ke jingbitar halor ki kamsa thombor ki dekhot jongka parti. Kini ke jingyat penram ke deiru kum ke jubab ya ke jing penyap daladiu Anandu Aji Nakotayam ya ke ba ke Congress ke ngej ba ke dei ke jing syale jot bat sya thombor. Ya kini kejingyat penram lalam khamat daud tim GK Moment President ke Meghalaya Youth Congress, T Johnny General Secretary ke Indian Youth Congress, bat kong Joplin Chilla President ke Meghalaya Mahila Congress lem kiwaipat. Ke Congress ke penram ya ke RSS bat kijingmi kikam kenok thambor jongka bat kum ke parti ke dawa bandan ke jing toket ke balaj lut bat ban kem ya ki badan keti. Kini kejingyat penram ke Indian National Congress ke long ban yalap ban wanra ke hok ke jing shingan kham tam ya ki samla bat ki long kemi hakari hi barok away.
Apa sih kuat mungkin jinja om tang Karnataka le Brockway India wat ang kasi jungi Brockway. Nak kini kias ki bladap kan ni gereja ke jing syabat por ke jing syapaniap jungi kenarin ke jing pomskan syu ke melang kasalang hani geri Brockway hi jungi ru di kepan bat ni pensyai ru ba dibuat bahalo dibuat jangkaan bat nakaliang jong ke sarkar kamtam kumkiri menginong nakaliang kani ka jingle na kambor jong ni RSS dari Karnataka yitai khna ndrai kedai kejing snokti langpat ngano pi bah po ate kedai hi keseng RSS ke pemi ke penekti lang kemudian benta lang hikum wei snok hiru kedup hiru dan parti BJP hi ke penia ya kedai India hi Brockway
yang juga Indian Youth Meghalaya Youth Congress ringkat di Mahila ringkat di Nongtrei juga MPC Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress nimi Syekman wan persya ya kedai kejing le thombor kejing sya le sexual abuse ke biong sya wadbor wei ukna samla budak arfur driu senam karta utai Kerala udai wei ukna udai IT professional biong tray po software engineer tray lo sya le donbor kapor habubun ki manlat kapor tray ai pengisiam tolong haka last message ke bawto komba ula sya asol haka tu beli ula jer keteng ru katu beli ngut kiba gidei bading bat RSS tenalor kata kumbiong ba RSS ke Ukraine nakapur si kapur ba kaya site nam tak culture dari India kaya site nam tak discipline ndrai pause kini ke kentim tangi i penban ikam caklia ikam cabo wat iku sinrang brew kila le kini ikam kemakor ikam pojat tengi yang ni bangidon kata cingrusi rengida pat musim ngida lengo kedu kata kata tung kini ke cacingja hampur ba jam tak caca nakaliang cung mi samla pula ele pen komplain sikibor bahlor rega cingkeli golong balai undon basim action ni kata balai undon bat sim action namar kadau bro golong kadai badon ke cingyadai apa dengkar RSS bat kibor bahlor kamtam bat ke BJP tekumta nakaliang cung Meghalaya Youth Congress ringkat ke Congress Party Brockway ni Syekman bandiman na government kinsim ya kata kecingit kli ba uniu samla yo bisyar hok bat kumjuru panang ni Syekman ba kanu no kam sniu kam nomcia kam tam kini ka kenti bomta ni ba BJP ba KRS ki kren sepang culture kren break penban kita jiwe ki ba kudup kita kinong le kam sniu tesaga weiru kumbon pencukun ma ni kapor ba umdon manu halor congkaan la pidai kanu ke organization la pidai kanu political party kaan kadi bahlor cungi baro dekumta hagni kapor ni diman ba uni usamla arpudi usnam karta cung dai banhe bansan ka future cungu kadang bun ni don kam ya tak hok ban yo 6 tahun ni usamla.
Today with the Congress family including the Youth Congress, Mahila Congress and the Central Congress family, we have joined together to protest against the incident that recently happened with the IT professional Anandu Aji. The RSS, which was he was a member of the RSS family during his childhood, and he got assaulted multiple times sexually, and after he got multiple times assaulted, he committed suicide. So we want justice for the family and the victim of Anandu Aji, and we also protest against the RSS and the BJP who has a strength and who follows the ideology of RSS. So we need protection against the children, the mahilas, and human dignity we deserve, and we need justice against the inhuman act that happens recently in Kerala.
Along with the president of the youth, Kim Jin, I agree with all he's saying. The centre must give justice to what's happened to Anandu Aji, and we demand that. And for all the crimes, not only in Kerala, we need the crimes to be sought out, and crimes that has happened in Meghalaya, for the children that has died in been murdered, we need justice for them.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta i ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya